tool bill is included for the barrel, the stocks, and the action. I source the scope and the bipod myself, and I own it. Like, you do a background check, you fill it out, everything's all legal, and it's mine to keep forever. I can sell it, I can transfer it, I can do everything that you would with your own personal rifle. So it's not like you give it to the school, it's not like they sell it back to you. And like the best part is, so you get what could potentially be like a several $1,000 rifle, and it's, as long as you put in the work, you end up with something like really, really nice. 7 PRC, so 7mm precision rifle cartridge. It's a Defiance Classic Action with a shell barrel. For like the optic that I chose, it's the Nightforce NX8 2.5 to 20 by 50mm for the objective lens. So it would be able to do like snappy point shooting with like on the 2.5 power, or be able to dial it all the way into 20 power, doing like precision rifle, doing like all the way out to 1,000, 1,200 yards, because that's something that like this cartridge and hopefully the rifle is capable of.